In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Calendly. This guide is perfect if you're looking to streamline your scheduling and make meetings even easier. Let's jump right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to calendly.com. This is the main page of the site where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the login button. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Now you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you type it out correctly to avoid any hiccups, then click the continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to input your password. Go ahead and type that in, and then hit continue again. If you've successfully entered your information, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard, which is essentially your command center. Once on the homepage, you'll want to look for where it says integrations and apps. This is where you can connect Calendly to various services you frequently use. Give that a click and you'll see a list of potential integrations. While options like Slack, Microsoft Teams and GoToMeeting are available, for today's purpose we'll focus on Google Meet. Find Google Meet on the list. It's typically denoted with a simple Google Meet icon. Once you've located it, click on it to initiate the setup. Now, you'll need to manage your calendar connection. Clicking on that will guide you through the process of linking your Google Calendar with Calendly. This allows you to seamlessly integrate your existing scheduling system, reducing redundancy and errors. When everything is synced up, you'll have the flexibility to join meetings via Google Meet directly from your Calendly account. This integration ensures that your events are organized and accessible, making it easier than ever to attend all your scheduled meetings without having to jump between different platforms. As you complete these steps, notice how integrating your calendar helps in managing your time efficiently. With your Google Calendar synced, every meeting invitation you receive or send out through Calendly will automatically appear on your calendar, keeping your week organized with minimum effort. To wrap things up, you've learned how straightforward it is to join a meeting via Calendly. By taking advantage of Calendly's integrations, you can optimize your productivity and focus on what truly matters, without getting bogged down in the details of scheduling. Give yourself a pat on the back for making your meeting management more efficient. Keep exploring other ways you can enhance your Calendly experience, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.